everything changed. So I started over, and I have a long road ahead. Yeah, I don't know the answer, I don't know the way, but I'm still walking forward, one step a day. Yeah, I don't know the answer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I saw you be there, but you walked away. So I stood on my own, and I learned to stay. Yeah, I don't know the answer, I don't know the way, but I'm still walking forward, one step a day. Yeah, yeah, I don't know the answer, I don't know the way, but I'm still walking forward, one step a day. Thought I was ready, but I was afraid. So I took one step, now I'm still moving forward. I don't know the answer, I don't know the way, but I'm still walking forward, one step a day.
Part 1. I thought it would work, but everything changed. So I started over. And the road is long.
Questions. Did you think it would work?
Yes, I thought it would work.
Did everything stay the same?
No, everything didn't stay the same. Everything changed.
Did you start over or did you quit?
I started over.
Is the road short?
No, the road isn't short. The road is long.
Why did you start over?
Because it didn't work.
Part 2.
I don't know the answer. I don't know the way.
But I keep moving forward, one step at a time.
Questions. Do you know the answer?
No, I don't know the answer.
Do you know the way?
No, I don't know the way.
Do you stop or do you keep moving forward?
I keep moving forward.
Are you moving fast?
No, I'm not moving fast. I'm moving one step at a time.
How are you moving forward?
I'm moving one step at a time.
Part 3. I thought you would be there.
But you walked away.
So I stood on my own, and I learned to stay.
Questions. Did you think someone would be there for you?
Yes, I thought someone would be there.
Did that person stay?
No, that person didn't stay. That person walked away.
Were you alone or with someone?
I was alone.
Did you leave or did you stay?
I stayed.
What did you learn to do?
I learned to stay.
Part 4. I thought I was ready, but I was afraid. So I took one step, and I keep moving forward.
Questions. Did you think you were ready?
Yes, I thought I was ready.
Were you confident?
No, I wasn't confident. I was afraid.
Did you take a step or did you stop?
I took a step.
Are you still moving forward?
Yes, I'm still moving forward.
What did you do even though you were afraid?
I took one step